Hello everyone, today we just received our new GAN Cube 356X version 5. So we're going to unbox it right now. So here we go. This is the cube itself. Okay. So with this package you got a GAN Cube X 356 and a VIP card and a whole box of accessories with magnet and different bearing.
Okay.
So you can see here. A manual.
Okay.
This is the different tension adjustment tools that you can use, and selection of magnets for you. The yellow is the strongest one, the green is weaker, and the white one is without magnet. Okay. With this you also get a bottle of the lubricant, 2 milliliter, and a cover. It's okay, it's not the best, but it will do. So now let's test the speed for this. Okay, a nice casing as well.
It's pretty tough.
Okay, so we're going to scramble it first in a minute and we'll be right back. Now let's test it out. 3, 2, 1, go.